So this week we are going to be writing a travel brochure. Now our learning objective is going to be to create a travel brochure that uses exciting and persuasive language. Question to think about. What is the purpose of travel brochures? What are they trying to achieve? Travel brochures are books or magazines which contain articles about holiday or travel destinations. Their main purposes are to describe places to readers and also to persuade the reader to book a visit. Now, to persuade someone means to make them think something or want to do something. So how do travel brochures do this? Well, they use a number of different language techniques, of course. The next few slides contain some extracts from travel brochures. Each of the extracts uses different language techniques. Attempt the following. 1 chili, find one language technique. 2 chilies, find one language technique and explain its effect. 3 chilies, find more than one language technique and explain its effect. So, extract 1. The view of the Eiffel Tower is simply beautiful. You can't help but to love it. Can anyone spot any techniques? So, there are adjectives. The word beautiful, used here, describes the place, making it sound favourable or nice. Adverbs, li words, add verbs and adjectives, add even more detail to the description. Simply. Personal pronouns. By using the word you, the reader feels directly involved, as though they are there. Extract 2. Wouldn't you just love to wake up to this each day? Towering trees loom above you like skyscrapers. What can you spot in that one? So, the writer has used a rhetorical question. Remember, they're questions that don't need an answer, you just have to think about them. Wouldn't you just love to wake up to this each day? Verbs, action or doing words. Varying these, e.g. loom, can add imagery, so make you picture it in your mind to the things that happen in places. Similes, using as or like. So in this one, they've said loom above you like skyscrapers, so the reader can imagine something they're familiar with. Alliteration. Can you spot the alliteration where 2 of the words start with the same letter? Towering trees. Extract 3. The beach is simply to die for. Before long, you will hear the ocean calling your name. Personification. Now, this is where you give something that's not alive human quality, so you make it seem like it's alive. This adds character to the setting and creates an atmosphere about a place. So here they've said the ocean calling your name. And obviously the ocean can't actually call your name, so it's personification. And the next one is a hyperbole. Now this is just a fancy word for exaggerating something. In this one they've said simply to die for. This exaggerates how good something is. But please be careful with this though. You can't just lie to your reader. It needs to be playful. So here are some of the language techniques that we've looked at. And there's a description of each one for you to read. Now, the first task you're going to do today is to read the text Delightful Dubai. And you're going to be finding the features. Now, we've done this lots of times before, remember? You just highlight the features. And there will be a chili challenge with this, so try to challenge yourself.